How to withdraw money from Tonkeeper. Hello world, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily withdraw money from Tonkeeper. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes, and make sure to subscribe. Withdrawing your money from Tonkeeper allows you to convert your cryptocurrency for use later on, and here is what we can do. First, open the Tonkeeper app and tap on this where it says buy and sell. After that, we are going to sell this, so tap on this sell option, and here you have these two options. One is from Mercurio. Mercurio is for withdrawing your cash to your credit card, and another is Dreamwalkers. Dreamwalkers is for withdrawing your cash to your bank card instantly. So we are going to choose Dreamwalkers. After that, tap on this open Dreamwalkers. As you can see, I don't have any funds right here. But if you have some earned coins, you can just put your desired amount that you want to withdraw. After that, choose from the currency option below, and after that, just confirm it, and the converted amount should be in your bank account in the following days. If you find this video helpful, and if you also wish to do something good for me, then please don't forget to subscribe, and I will be back with another problem solving videos like this. Thanks for watching.